You've put in the work. You've studied, reviewed, and prepared. Now comes the part that makes many students freeze up, the test day. In this lecture, we will learn how to perform when it counts. Whether it's multiple choice, essay-based, or problem solving, you'll learn strategies to handle any type of exam with more confidence and control. Because knowing the content is only part of the game. Knowing how to use it under pressure is just as important. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to approach different test formats with a clear plan. Use time management techniques during exams. Stay focused and avoid common test day mistakes. Multiple choice. Think before you pick. Multiple choice questions can seem easy at first glance, but they're often designed to trip you up. Sometimes, all the options sound right. Other times, one small word in the question changes everything. Here's how to stay sharp. Read the question first, carefully, before looking at the options. Don't skim. A single word like not or except can completely change what they're asking. Try answering in your head before you peek at the choices. This keeps you from being influenced by look-alike answers that sound right but aren't. Watch out for extreme words like always, never, only, or must. These often signal wrong answers because few things are absolute. Eliminate the obvious wrong answers first. Even if you're unsure, narrowing it down boosts your odds and helps you focus. If you're stuck, mark it and move on. Don't let one tricky question drain your time. You can circle back with a fresher mind later. Many MCQs include one correct answer, one that's almost correct, and two that are off. Don't let that almost one fool you. Take your time, think critically, and trust your prep. Plan before you write essays. Essays can be intimidating, especially when the clock is ticking and your brain is racing. But rushing in without a plan usually leads to messy answers and missed points. Here's how to keep it under control. Take 1 minute to plan. Jot down a quick outline, intro, main points, and a closing sentence. Even a rough structure gives your answer direction. Stick to what's being asked. Don't go off on a tangent or answer a different version of the question. Keep it organized. One idea per paragraph. No need to sound fancy, just be clear. Leave a minute to reread. Typos, missing words, or confusing sentences are easy to fix, but only if you catch them in time. Even short answers need structure. Clear and focused beats long and scattered every time. Accuracy over speed. In mathematics, science, or any logic-based test, getting the right answer matters more than finishing first. Speed won't help if your answers are wrong. So, focus on accuracy first, then pace. Here's how to keep it sharp. Start with the easier questions, knock out the ones you know to build momentum and boost your confidence. Underline key details in the question. Units, conditions, formulas, and one missed word can change everything. Write your steps clearly. If you get stuck, it's easier to backtrack without starting over. Plus, some teachers give partial credit for correct steps. If time allows, double-check your final answer. A small slip in calculation can cost easy points. Don't hand them away. You don't earn points for rushing. You earn them for getting it right. Slow down just enough to think it through. Time management during tests. Time management during tests isn't about rushing. It's about pacing yourself so you have enough time to think, answer clearly, and review before time runs out. Even if you know everything, poor time use can badly impact your score. Try this approach. Glance over the test at the start. Get a sense of how many sections and how much each is worth. Set mini time limits. If the exam is 60 minutes with 3 sections, aim for 20 minutes each and move on if you get stuck. Leave the last 5 to 10 minutes to review. Catch mistakes. Finish incomplete answers and double-check instructions. If panic sets in mid-test, pause. Take a slow breath. Refocus. You've got time.